I made protein bagels 2 different ways, one with Greek yogurt, one with cottage cheese. Let me show you how I made them, and let's see which one's better. Okay, these are just 2 ingredients bagels. The first one, we're going to start with 1 cup of Greek yogurt and 1 cup of self-rising flour. I start mixing it with a spoon, and then I end up just going straight in and kneading it with my hand. It will be a little bit sticky. Don't let that surprise you. Just keep going. If you need to sprinkle a little bit more flour to get that doughy consistency, then you can absolutely Next, you're going to tear it into 4s. Make 4 of the same size round balls, and then you're just going to want to tear a hole in the center. Now we are going to make the cottage cheese recipe the exact same way. 2 ingredients, 1 cup cottage cheese. Make sure that your cottage cheese is pre-blended. I think that that's a super huge Every time I buy cottage cheese, for the most part, we take it home, blend it, and put it back in the container anyways. That way it's just already pre-blended for any recipes. You're going to want to brush your bagels with an egg wash and then stick them in the air fryer at 350 degrees for about 14 minutes. Flip them halfway. Now, just because these are protein bagels, they still have carbs. They still have regular flour. So if you are a low-carb girly on your journey, that's okay. This one might just not be for you. I've lost 91 pounds on my journey this far, and I've found that having swap options and just keeping in portion control is honestly what that allows me to be consistent in the long run, giving me overall better results. The cottage cheese dough seemed to be a little bit harder to work with, and I wasn't able to tear the holes quite as well, so they ended up kind of closing in the air fryer, but that's okay because it kind of was giving Panera Bread vibes. And again, stick them in the air fryer, 350 degrees, 14 minutes, flipping halfway. Here is what they are looking like. This one has the Greek yogurt, this one has the cottage cheese. They both turned out and baked beautifully. This is the one made with the Greek yogurt, and this is the one made with the cottage cheese. Let's give it a try. I have some of the exact same cream cheese on both. That's good. That is absolutely a bagel. That would make such a good, like, breakfast sandwich. The cottage cheese. A couple of things. The cottage cheese one is more of a soft texture, more of a bread. This is a little bit more dense. That is the difference that I'm seeing. I almost like the cottage cheese ones better.